Welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to create a photo design using just your mobile phone. I will start with a simple photo and turn it into a clean kitchen design. Click the import button, go to the gallery, enable button down, select the picture, click the import button, go to the gallery, select the picture, background remove, eraser color, enable button down, select the picture, click the shadow option, enable button down, color the change, the copy option. Now your design is ready. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.